Hey everyone, my name is Serge and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with this channel, hit this link up above so you're most up to date to the most recent video. And if you just don't know about the channel at all, it's automotive, lifestyle, and BTS collaboration, all those things that I love to do. So we got automotive, lifestyle, and BTS. That's what we're here to do, but we haven't hit any BTS yet, but we will get to that. And today what we are doing right now is working on my friend's WRX. He just got new headlights and something that he desperately needed, something that we all want really. So we're just here at my apartment. We're about to do a little quick setup, and this time we got Ben and Chris in one video, so that'll be pretty awesome. And it's practically just a setup video, so let's get it.
Yes,
All
this
right.
is now useless.
Ben, what are we doing right now?
So we're installing my Circuit Demon Stage 2 headlights.
My bad.
So it's got the upgraded diode dynamic C light, the upgraded diode dynamic halo lights, as well as diode high and low beams.
Okay.
So just came in yesterday.
Something you wanted for a long time now.
Oh yeah, WRX headlights are garbage. So you know.
Awesome. You got
Model lights are garbage.
You got Chris.
Oh shit. Okay, so
What we did was jack up the car, make it easily accessible to remove the bumper. We removed the headlights, and now we're installing the headlights and following another YouTube video to get the new ones in, because you know, people making tutorial videos on installing headlights not always coming in clutch, but old ones are out, new ones are going back in, or are going in, not back in, because it's our first time installing it. So first thoughts of your headlights?
they're bright. Now I just gotta figure out the brights, which I don't need. So you know.
Well, it works.
I got brights.
It's like staring to the sun.
So my camera died as we were filming a little time lapse, but the car is 100% put together. He's loving it, even though he hasn't gotten the full experience yet. But Chris, you agree? Headlights?
Oh yeah, they're sick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start buying. I'm looking to set up for myself.
Next? No, you got more. You got more important stuff that you want to get first.
give me some time here, bro.
Ben is finally getting a taste of what his headlights look like in full form. No, the lights aren't on. Like turn the light. Okay, there we go. The e-brake is on. Oh, it's not? Because I put it on. Hazard is